Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and today I'm going to show you with the Dollar Tree craft bottle and some isopropyl alcohol. We're going to have some fire starters. Now these are really good to have when you're going to go camping and whatnot. So it's just a bottle. You are going to take all of those extra wine corks that you have from quarantine and just put as many as you can in your bottle. This doesn't carry a whole lot, but we're going to go with that. So we've got 2, 4, 6 in there. And then you're just going to take some of your isopropyl alcohol. This one is 91%. We're going to go ahead and just take that here and put that in here. You don't have to put the whole lot in there, but what we want to do, I filled it a little bit under halfway, and you're just going to go ahead and put that cap right back on there and label it, and you've got your fire starter, and we're going to let that just soak up in to all of those corks, and you will be amazed. Let me go ahead and show you. This is your regular cork, and it will start on fire. You'll have to hold it for a little bit. Oh, let me see there. It would make an, oh, there you go. It would make an okay fire starter. But let me go ahead and take one and just put that alcohol right on there, and I'm only going to put a little bit, just a teeny tiny bit. That's it. I'm actually going to get a piece of aluminum foil real quick because I don't want my craft room to go up in smoke. So we're just going to go ahead, and you'll see how quickly. Look at that. Is that amazing? And then it burns for quite a long time. And by the time that alcohol is gone, you've already got your lit cork. So there you go. That'll be quick and easy to take camping or to have in like a to-go pack for an emergency, because you never know what's going to happen. All right, I hope you like this. I'm going to go ahead and ask for a thumbs up if you did. Please make sure that you're very careful when you're doing these and keep everything nice and labeled tightly. And you can see that that is already soaking that all up in there. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!